Hello, today we will guide you through how to number questions in Qualtrics. If you want your survey to look cleaner and easier to follow, turning on automatic question numbering in Qualtrics is a simple way to do it. This is especially helpful when you have a longer survey, because numbered questions make it easier for both you and your respondents to keep track of where they are. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit Survey area. This is the main workspace where you can make changes to your survey content and settings. Once you are there, look toward the top of the page for the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on Tools to open the available options. From that menu, choose Auto Number Questions. This opens the numbering settings, where you can decide how question numbers should appear throughout the survey. Qualtrics gives you a few formatting choices here, so this is the point where you define the numbering style you want to use. In the Numbering Format options, click on Q1.1. This selects the style menu for how your question labels will be displayed. After that, click on Internal ID. This changes the current options so you can choose a different numbering method rather than using the internal system-generated format. Next, select Sequential. This is the setting that tells Qualtrics to number your questions in a straightforward, ordered sequence. In other words, your questions will appear as standard numbered items instead of using internal IDs or more complex numbering patterns. Once Sequential is selected, the new format should be active in the Settings window. At this stage, take a quick moment to confirm that the correct option is highlighted. This is useful because it helps you avoid applying the wrong numbering style by mistake. If Sequential is selected, you are ready for the final step. Now click Apply. Qualtrics will update the survey and assign question numbers based on the sequential format you selected. After applying the change, you should be able to see the updated numbering reflected in your survey layout. And that's it. Your questions are now numbered in a clear, consistent way. If you are reviewing the survey afterward, it can be helpful to scroll through the full questionnaire to make sure the numbering appears exactly as expected, especially if your survey includes multiple blocks or sections. Thanks for following along. You now know how to number questions in Qualtrics using the Auto Number feature.